Here's a drawing tip that's going to make all your drawings much better. Let me ask you a question. Which is closer to us, Pikachu or this Pokeball? This is a mistake I see almost every new and even intermediate artist make. The answer is it's up to us. We have to overlap the objects in order to tell the viewer which is closer to us. You rarely want to leave your objects not overlapping if there's the subject of the illustration or drawing. In this set, you see that this is a large Pokeball in front of Pikachu. And in this, you see that it is the reverse. It is behind him. It is a giant Pokeball. And no matter what scale you make it, it will still always be further away from the camera than us. This changes the story of whatever image that you're doing, especially with more than one object. And this is the basics of overlapping. Another common mistake is setting them right next to each other. This creates what we call a tangent. A tangent is when two objects are touching evenly. This creates unwanted attention at the point at which they're touching and creates confusion. You're the creator of your world. You want things to be very easy for the viewer to understand. Placement tells story and tells situation. Even with just these two objects, there is a small story that's taking place. Doing this also sets the viewer in a 3D world where things are closer and further away from us. Let's go over some extreme examples. Here is a small Pikachu on a Pokeball. Here's a normal-sized Pikachu behind a normal-sized Pokeball. And this is just to show you how extreme the examples can get just by changing placement and size and overlap. As an exercise for yourself, try to figure out how many little stories you can tell. The reason to understand this is because there's also overlapping within the body itself. Pikachu is made up of large, simplistic shapes. You can see that the head shape is closer to us than the body shape that it's sitting on. Because we understand this, we know which lines slightly overlap. And this body shape is in front of the tail shape behind it. Everything overlaps onto everything else. Even the feet shape is slightly behind the knees. When you fully understand this and toy with it, this is going to improve all of your drawings immediately. Try this out in your sketches and let me know how it goes in the comments. If you'd like, screenshot this screen to remember or follow me for more art tips. Please share the video.